Here is the abundant paper collection from Authentique, and this is, of course, very timely. It is an Easter theme, and I love the color combination. Can you see what's going on here? Now, in this collection, there are 14 double-sided papers plus coordinating accents. I'll show you what that means. So let me show you the papers. Now, they are double-sided, and there are two of each I'm going to show you. So this one with some beautiful vintage imagery that's pretty good size. You can see up here, these are 12 by 12 papers, and they are double-sided, so you do get a second image if you decide you don't want to use this side and cut these out. So here's a basket weave. And you've got some eggs on the other side, very tiny ones, by the way. Almost looks like dots, doesn't it? We've got carrots on this side, and on the other side we have this beautiful piece where we've got some imagery at the top on the right and a lower left with the music notes on the background in a blues and teals and tans are the color combinations. So we here have all of the spring animals with chickens and rabbits and lambs, and the back side is this, works very nicely. We have all of these borders, so you can certainly cut this apart and use them or use it as a full sheet, and then we've got these flourishes or these scallops on the back. Now here are some kind of intricate looking eggs and some ghosted back, and then a blue tone on tone. So you get two each of all of those, and then you're going to get, which is very much what the Authentique does, are two papers that are kind of generic. They're going to blend very well with the papers that you've seen. So there's a pinstripe tone on tone, and then on the back side a dot, same thing, pinstripe and a dot on the back side. So that's going to work. And then the extra sheet you get in this case is die cuts, and you can see that the imagery works perfectly with all of the sheets, and there are 41 die cuts on this sheet. So you just pop them out and they're going to work very nicely. Now there are other things that will coordinate with this set. So this is the abundant set. Again, 14 papers as well, double-sided papers, as well as all of those die cuts. And I found these. These are the koi, believe it or not, of the buttons galore. These are the glitter buttons, and they just work perfectly. So very fun to find that out. A new collection from Authentique.